UV safety. Your skin is the largest organ. It protects you from heat, sunlight, injury, and infection. But your skin can be injured by harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Around 1,000 workers report overexposure to UV radiation each year. Overexposure can cause harm such as sunburn, sun poisoning, skin cancer, or eye injuries. You are at risk for overexposure to UV radiation from the sun if you work outdoors. Workers can take simple steps to protect their skin from harmful UV radiation. There are several ways you can protect your skin. Wear protective clothing, including long-sleeve shirts and long pants. Stay out of the sun during peak sunburn hours as much as possible. The peak sunburn hours are between 11 o'clock a.m. and 4 o'clock p.m. Stay in natural shade or make your own shade using protective clothing like a broad-brimmed hat. Use extra caution when you are working near reflective surfaces like water, snow, and sand. These surfaces can reflect damaging sun rays onto you. This can increase your chances of sunburn even if you are in the shade. Use extra caution when working at higher altitudes. You can experience more UV exposure at higher altitudes because less UV radiation is absorbed by the atmosphere. Use broad-spectrum sunscreen. Broad-spectrum sunscreen protects you against UV rays from the sun. A sunscreen's label will say if it is broad-spectrum. Use sunscreen with a high sun protection factor. The FDA recommends using sunscreen with an SPF of at least 15 for protection against sun-induced skin problems. Apply sunscreen over all exposed skin at least 20 minutes before going outside. Reapply it throughout the day. Even if a sunscreen is labeled water-resistant, it must be reapplied throughout the day, especially after sweating. It is recommended to apply sunscreen every 2 hours. UV radiation can also affect your eyes. It can cause cell damage. According to the CDC, some of the more common sun-related problems include cataracts and other vision problems. Wear a broad-brimmed hat that keeps your face shaded from the sun at most angles to protect your eyes from the sun. Wear sunglasses to protect your eyes. Effective sunglasses should block glare, block 99 to 100% of UV radiation, and be wraparound to protect your eyes from most angles. Check the Environmental Protection Agency's UV index to check how much sun protection you need. This index measures the daily intensity of UV rays from the sun using a scale of 1 to 11. The higher the UV index number, the more UV protection you need. Remember to protect your skin from UV radiation if you are working outdoors. Wear the right clothes and sunglasses. Use sunscreen and check the EPA UV index to see how much protection you need. Stay safe.